One way to quiz students is to label structures using the Pin tool and then activate the Feature Lock tool within the Settings menu. Feature Lock enables you to specify which specific features students will be able to use while taking their quiz. You can control their ability to manipulate the specimen, access presets or pins, use the Draw tool, and other tools that are available on table. Select the feature that you want to be enabled, and then click the Enable button. It will prompt you to enter a password, which can be any password of your choosing, and once you click OK, this is going to enable Feature Lock. In this example, students only had access to image control, so as you can see, I'm able to manipulate the specimen, but I can't access any other menus or features on table. When the quiz is complete, you can disable Feature Lock by clicking the Enable button and re-entering your password. Another way to quiz students is to use the built-in quiz mode. This will require you to first generate annotated presets. You will need to turn on annotations for any structure that you want to include on your quiz. You can create multiple presets if you want students to identify structures from a specific view, such as an anterior view of the larynx and a posterior view of the larynx. You will then need to export the specific presets that you want to use in your quiz and save them to the hard drive or to a USB drive. If you want to keep track of individual student results, you can import a student list using the Settings menu. Click Import Student List and access your student list file. To generate a student list file, simply create a text document listing the names of each student that you want to include. Once your student list is loaded, you'll need to import the quiz into quiz mode. Tap on the quiz mode icon, tap Customize, and Import. Select the preset that you previously exported, tap Edit Name to give your quiz a name, and select which text options you want visible on the screen. Click Apply, and you're ready to start the quiz. Here you can select the type of quiz, and you can select which student is taking the quiz. Tap Go to start the quiz. In this example, I've shown the Pick Me quiz, where a structure is listed and the student must tap on the structure and correctly identify it. When the quiz is complete, tap Show Details, and it will show the question, the student's response, whether they got it correct, and how much time it took them to answer it. Clicking Export Results will allow you to save individual student reports. The default name is the name of the student. You may also find it helpful to include the quiz name as part of your file name. To access the same quiz again, tap the quiz name drop-down, History, and select the name of the quiz that you wish to take. There are several quiz types to choose from. Flashcard mode is similar to Pick Me, except that it shows the correct answer after the student has answered the question. Highlight can be used to give written or oral quizzes. Table will highlight a structure, and the student must name the structure. Using Highlight, you could project the quiz to the entire class to give group quizzes rather than individual quizzes.